O'Hare International Airport, USA. Let's head to the Windy City, Chicago. O'Hare International Airport, or ORD, is a central hub in the United States, and it consistently ranks as the 5th busiest airport in North America. In 2023, this colossal airport handled approximately 73.9 million passengers, marking a significant increase from previous years. If you've flown through ORD, you know that it's not just an airport. It's a gateway to countless destinations, both domestic and international. O'Hare serves as a key hub for both United Airlines and American Airlines, offering direct flights to destinations all over the globe. Whether you're traveling to Europe, Asia, or the US East Coast, O'Hare has you covered with hundreds of daily flights. The airport boasts 4 terminals, each designed to cater to a high volume of passengers while keeping things moving smoothly. Its well-designed layout ensures that connecting flights are quick and efficient, making it one of the most convenient airports for those on the go. But O'Hare isn't just about efficiency, it's about service. The airport has made significant investments in technology to improve the passenger experience, from advanced security systems to cutting-edge baggage handling. And while you wait for your flight, O'Hare offers a variety of dining options, from casual eateries to fine dining, ensuring you're well taken care of. With its central location and vast flight network, O'Hare continues to be a powerhouse in the world of aviation.